Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Thursday, August the 5th, 2010, and it's time to check out the markets because it's time to short them. Okay, let's get started looking at the FTSE today. This is the London Financial Times Index, a 6-month chart, each candlestick being 1 day. And you can see right here, today's activity is yet another inverted hammer. That's what, 3, 4, the same level. And yeah, it's 100% nasty. So you don't want to see that. Those are all sell signals telling you short, 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 sell, 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 however you want to call it. And you'll notice the last time we were at this level, we didn't have one. Okay, so now we're down here, bounce around, bounce back up here, and now we get them. Now the market's even weaker. There's now sell pressure here that wasn't necessarily here before, not the same degree. And you have all the reasons in the world to sell this guy. And again, this means the world to us, as everybody else in the world is following the FTSE lower. So that's how we got started off in the sell-off because of the Europe financial crisis, and that's still 100% alive and well, unless you believe in the absolutely ridiculous bank audits. Okay. There's stress tests. That was absolutely ridiculous, and we don't buy it for a moment, so we sell it or short it. Okay, very easy, very simple. And that is yet another reason right there. So if it's showing up here on the item that is going to be pulling the rest of the world markets up, world markets down, then we should be expecting the world markets to follow, and we should be shorting them as well. So let's go look at those. Okay, a quick look at the Hang Seng Index. You can tell this guy is already overextended above the 80 line of the slow stocks, telling you to be looking for short opportunities. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. And you'll notice she's also stalling now with the hammer formations. Problem is, hammer formations at the top are not the same thing as a hammer formation at the bottom, and this is rolling over. You'll also notice you've also got, moving on down here, there we go, extreme overbought signal at the 72.22 line of the RSI. The RSI is extremely overbought at 70 or higher. You're at 72.22. So nothing there to do other than sell. There's obviously no reason to be a buyer. And you'll notice we're starting to tick down again on the momentum indicator by the histogram of the MACD. And again, like we've been seeing on a consistent series of charts, note the high point here and the low point here. High point here, higher high here. That's a divergence. You don't want to be trusting that. And I would be looking for the short, which of course we just took. Okay. Quick look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I almost missed this today because it's really tight, but if you actually zoom in there, you can see that this high point here is higher than this high point here, which shows a downtrend, while this corresponding point here and here is an uptrend, and that is not to be trusted. Also, this high point here is higher than both of these, still showing a downtrend here, while the high point between here and here is showing an uptrend, not to be trusted. Shorted, okay? Yeah, that's all you got to do there. Almost missed that guy. All right. So yeah, I'm already short just below that, but you would add anything here and higher. Okay. Don't want to be trusting this activity. Also, every move in the stock market is either made true or vilified by their volume. And here you can see volume drop off the cliff right there. Absolutely horrible volume. And this entire move here has been absolutely no volume behind it. And you can see it even clearer in the S&P 500. So I don't want to trust this rally at all. I would short it, obviously, and that's an easy call for me. Okay, so yeah, very simple. I'm calling the peak. I don't care if it goes up a day or two. I don't really care. I'm just going to find opportunities to short. Okay, very cool, very easy. Let's see what else we got. Quick look at the NASDAQ. This is a 6-month chart, each candlestick being 1 day. We've been very bearish on this move to the upside because of the volume. The volume continues to decrease. Note that right here. Okay, see today's activity, very, very weak. Nothing here that's bullish, including you look at the uptrend there, the bounce here. It's got lots of gaps in it, and they're very sizable gaps. The larger the gap, the more important it is, and that's a big problem there. So you're going to have to just be a bear here. I mean, I don't create the charts, I just read them, and they're obviously not bullish in any way, shape, or form. Anyone who's telling you to buy this guy is just not reading the chart, okay? Again, you do have the same conditions that we talked about on the Dow Jones right here, okay? Right there to there, showing a downtrend. At the same time, just counting the close, you've got a uptrend, okay? Right there. And that would be another divergence and not to be trusted. Need to be short. Yes. Okay. Quick look at the Russell 2000 small cap index. I'm already short at this level, and it makes sense to me. You've also got today's activity. It's a very small inverted hammer, but it's really not the main signal I'm looking for here or looking at here. I've got an inverted hammer back here as well. Get out of the way there. There we go. Okay, and so we are at that level short already. And you'll also notice you've got a rolling over of these slow stocks right here and here. Right, and price activity has failed to break out thus far. So I'm just going to keep shorting that guy. Very simple. Quick look at the S&P 500 large cap index. You can see the same conditions as noted on the Dow Jones. You got a high point here, a lower high on your slow stock. So she's starting to roll over there. And again, let me bring that up real quick. Again, the corresponding high points on the price activity between here and here are trending higher, which is a divergence not to be trusted, and you need to stick a fork in it. Yes, kill it. All right. Also, again, the lowest volume we have seen on this 6-month chart, and I'm sure going much, much further back, that is absolutely ridiculous, not to be trusted at all, and the uptrend is dead. There's nothing there. There's no guts between this low point here where you got some good selling and this high point here. There's nothing there. Now this will actually sustain. Like I said before, you've got these 3 gaps below you. It's not going to hold. It's going to get all erased. So just short it. Okay. All right. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return is you refer a friend. That's cool. And feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can follow me at the free website. Only 200 of you guys actually can do it, but we still have space over there. And anybody who wants to swing trade with me, start next week, hey, be there, and I'll see you, okay? A quick little look at our disclaimer. Okay, have a look at the disclaimer. Remember that tomorrow is Friday, and you have, it's going to be a sentiment day, but it's also going to have news out on the unemployment front, so that's going to probably move markets, so keep that in mind. And again, I don't care what it does. I'm just shorting the whole thing because it's all bogus. Again, if you want to swing trade with us or with me live, then one of 200, you can be one of 200 people to follow me there, and I will show you every trade I make as it happens. All right, and all swing trades are not day trades, so everybody can participate in that kind of thing. It's pretty cool. Also, we teach you how to do this stuff in our live trading course, which is also in the same place that our live swing trade is going on. So it's a twofer. Yeah. Okay. Take care. God bless. Enjoy the evening. I will see you on Friday.